Hey, Jeff Jones, Boise broker with 208 Premier Real Estate. We're going to check out one of my listings here at 4847 Wildbrook. This is a 1,500 square foot home starting at 425, mature landscaping in a mature neighborhood. Nice engineered hardwood floors you come in with the vaulted ceilings, fireplace, and then open floor plan where you've kind of got the kitchen flows in here. I like the raised bar here, and this is kind of nice where the ceiling's open. And then this is actually a flex room here, which goes to the backyard. And what's nice about this was built in 2002. They used to give you a little more yard. This is 0.18 acres here. And so you've got 3 bedrooms downstairs and a bathroom. So bedroom number 2, 3, and then laundry here. And real quick, we'll peek in the garage. Just a 2-car garage. They've kind of put a workout area here with insulated door, added extra lighting in here. And then upstairs for the primary bedroom, they've converted this into their workout gym. Just when you own a home, you can do whatever you want. So this is how they decided to set this up. So pretty nice. And then you've got another private bathroom up here. So let me know what you think about this house. It's available for sale. Talk to you soon. Bye.